Good morning to all. Today we are going to learn about construction of angles. In a previous class we have learned about how to draw the line segments and how to draw the perpendicular bisector on a line, on a line, and also outside the point lying outside of the line. How to draw we have seen in the previous class. Today we have construct the angles. Okay, it has followed two ways of construction of angles. The first one, draw an angle using the protractor. Already you know that how to draw the angles using the protractor. As it, we will see one example to draw an angle of a measurement of 70 degree. So first we have to draw the ray. This is denoted by A, here B. Okay. Now using the protractor, keep the center of the protractor at A. Place the center of the protractor at A. After measure the values, you know that the both angles, both sides having the both angles start from 0 to 180 and 180 to 0. Okay, so let me have consider in the side start from 0 because in the side only having the ray. Okay, so start from 0 we have consider in the semicircle we have consider, so 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So point at the angle 70 degree. After using the scale and join that ray, it's denoted by C. Here write 90 degree. Now write the steps. Simple step. Step 1, draw a ray AB. Step 2, place the protractor at A. Mark the angle 70 degree. That's it. Step thus the angle CAB is equal to 70 degree is required angle. Okay, place a protractor at A. At A, mark the angle 70 degree. The ray is denoted by AC. Okay, then thus the angle CAB is equal to 70 degree is required angle. See the next one of that. Draw an angle using a scale and pair of compass. Here we have using the geometrical equipment protractor. Here we have using the pair of compasses and scale. Okay. To construct an angle RPQ. Okay. RPQ equal to the angle CAB. So first we have draw the angle CAB. First we have draw the ray AB. Okay. After with center A, take any convenient radius. Take any convenient radius, draw the arc. Okay, so intersecting arc is denoted by x. Okay, you keep the center as S, draw that another one of the arc. Okay, then join that line from A to C. The intersecting arc is denoted by Y. Okay, so let we have considered that one angle CAB. Okay, now we have draw the angle RPQ. Okay, so now we have draw the one ray PQ with center Q, the previous angle, that the same radius. Okay, previous angle of the radius, same convenient radius we have placed at the P and draw the arc. The arc is denoted by intersecting on a ray is denoted by S. Keep as a center S, draw that the same measurement, draw the another one of the arc. It is denoted by T. Now join P2 PQR. Okay, now measure these two values are in same angle. Okay, so exactly 60 degree in both angles. See, here 60 degree, here also 60 degree. Okay, so how to draw? First we have draw the ray AB. After take any convenient radius, draw an arc, the same measurement. Okay, center X, draw another one of the arc is denoted by Y. After we have joined the ray A to C, then we get the angle. Okay, that the same measurement we have applied in the next step, is it? So first draw the line, draw the ray PQ with center P, draw the previous radius, previous convenient radius we have keep it in at P and draw an arc. It's denoted by S. After we have at the center S, draw another one of the arc is denoted by T. Okay, right, now we get both having the 60 degree, both having the 60 degree. So the angle RPQ is equal to angle CBC. Now write the steps. Step 1, take A as the center and any convenient radius, any convenient radius, draw an arc cutting the arms of angle CAB at X and Y. Step 2, draw a ray PQ with P as the center and the same radius same radius of previous, so same radius of the angle, okay, CAB. CAB க்கு என்ன ரேடியஸ் எடுத்தோமோ அதே தான் இங்கே என்ன செய்கிறோமோ அப்ளை பண்ணோம். ஓகே, ஸோ the same radius of angle CAB, draw an arc. Draw an arc cutting at S. Okay, draw an arc cutting at S. Sங்கிற place என்னாச்சுமா கட் ஆயிடுச்சு. Okay, now step 3, taking S as a center, S as a center and radius equal to xy. Okay, the first picture we have considered the radius of xy. Okay, x to the xy, and then draw an arc xy, draw an arc intersecting previous arc at a point T. Step 4, join PR. Okay, join PT extended to the ray. Okay, and extend it to form a ray. Form a ray PR. Step 5, angle RPQ. Angle RPQ is the required angle equal to angle CAB. Okay, so verify பண்ணிட்டோம். Finally we have verified using the protractor of each angles we have 60 degree. Okay, that's it. So what we do, first we have take A as a center and any convenient radius, draw an arc cutting the arms of CAB. Okay, so first we have draw a ray. After we have take any convenient radius with center A, draw an arc. Okay, the intersecting arc and ray is denoted by X. Okay, you have take any name X, Y, like that. Okay, so we have considered X. Okay, after center X, draw another one of the arc and the intersecting arcs is denoted by Y. Okay, then join the line A to Y and the line extended, is it? The line that ray extended to the ray AC. Okay, then we get the angle CAB. Okay, the same procedure we have followed. Make it for the next one of the angle. First we have draw the PQ. Okay, ma. என்ன செய்யணும், PQ ட்ரா பண்ணிவிட்டு அங்கே என்ன ரேடியஸ் we have considered one of the radius, is it convenient radius. The same measurement we have followed for this. With center P, draw the arc. The intersecting arc at the ray is denoted as S. After we have draw another one of the arc, P is joined to T and the line extended, the ray extended to the PR. Then we get the record. So what is the sixth step? Verify the both angles are equal or not. Okay. So using the protector. Right. Now move to the next one of the concept. To draw a bisector of a given line. Now see, to draw a bisector of a given angle. Okay, so how to draw the bisector of angle? So angle bisector, it's called the angle bisector. Okay, how to construct, you will see. Okay, so given an angle is given, angle CAB. Okay, to construct the bisector of the angle CAB, how can you construct? First to draw the ray. Okay. Draw the ray. Okay, it's denoted by AB. Next step, using the compass. Using the compass, draw the arc of any radius, any convenient radius. Okay. I have drawn like this. Okay, it is denoted by X with center X. Draw the arc. It is denoted by Y. Now join A to X. Okay, same procedure. ABC. ABC. Okay, now we have drawn the bisector of this angle. Okay, bisector of this angle. Okay, so what is meant by bisector? The angle divided into two equal halves, identically equal. Equal halves are both angles are equal. Okay, so how to make that? Listen. Okay, now keep the needle of the compass at X. Take more than half of the distance of XY. The XY distance la more than half எடுத்துக்கணும். Okay அம்மா, the XY distance la என்ன பண்ணுமா? X center வச்சு more than half எடுத்துக்கோம். Draw an arc. Okay, with center X, draw an arc. The same measurement with center Y, draw another one of the arc. Now join this from A. It is denoted by AB. Okay. C D. Okay, that is the radius denoted by D. Here XY, the intersecting arc is denoted by Z. So X, Y, Z. Okay, so now the angle CAB divide the two equal angles. Okay, this angle divide பண்ணாங்கன்னா அது angle bisector. Line divide ஆச்சுன்னா என்னதுமா? Perpendicular bisector. That's all. Okay, so இங்க angle divide பண்ணதுனால இது என்னமா? Angle bisector அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, so construction of bisector of angle னு கொடுத்திருந்தாலும் angle bisectorனாலும் ஒரே meaning தான். Okay வா? Right, now we get the two equal angles. Shall we check now? Yes. Okay, first measurement is 60 degree. Okay, 0, 10, 20, 30. Here 40, 50, 60. So two equal angles. Okay, here also 30 degree. The total value of the angle is 60 degree. Okay, so that the ray AD is called the angle bisector. Called the angle bisector. Now see the steps. Step 1. Taking A as the center and with any suitable or any radius, any suitable radius draw an arc cutting the arms AB and AC of angle CAB at X and Y respectively. Okay, the next step 2, taking X as a center and any radius more than half, any radius more than half of XY, is it? X, Y. Draw an arc. Step 3. Similarly, we have do that process. Okay. Yes, a center. Y is a center and with the same radius. என்ன radiusல நம்ம இதுல கட் பண்ணோமோ அதே மாதிரி இதுல எழுதிடலாம். Taking X and here I have write in a step, taking X and Y as a center and any radius more than half of XY, draw an arc. Okay, draw an arc intersecting the arcs each other. Okay, intersecting arc, intersecting. I have written both step in one single step. Okay, intersecting at Z. Okay, now write intersecting arc at Z. Step 3, join AD. Okay, AZ and extended it to AD to get extended to get AD. That's it. Okay. Thus AD is a record bisector of angle CAB. AB. That's it. Okay. So AD is a record bisector of angle CAB. Okay. Now move to the next one of that. Construct an angle. Okay. In some special angles, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree. How to draw? We will see. Okay. First we will see how to construct the angle 60 degree. Okay. So first one, construction of angle 60 degree and 120 degree. Today we have seen. Okay. So first you see the construction of angle 60 degree. How to construct? First, draw the ray. Okay. So A, B. Okay. Taking a center as A, draw any convenient radius. Okay. This center A, draw the arc. Okay. Right. It is denoted by X. With center X, the same radius, draw another one of the arc. It is denoted by Y. Now join the line from A to Y and extend it to get the ray C. Okay. Get the ray. Then we get the AC. Okay, to get the ray AC. Now check the angle CAB. Using the protractor, keep the center of the protractor at A. Measure. We get 60 degrees. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So angle of CAB. Angle CAB is equal to 60 degree. That's it. So what are the steps we have to draw the step 1. First step, draw ray. Draw a ray AB. Okay. Step 2, taking A as the center and with any convenient radius, is it? Any suitable radius. Draw an arc. Draw an arc. X, Y. Okay. X, Y. That cuts AB at X. Okay. Step 3. Taking Y as the center. The same procedure. Okay. Center and radius. Same radius. Okay. A radius equal to AX. Draw an arc cutting the previous arc. XY at Y. Okay. Step 3 operator. Step 4 join. Join AY. Join AY. Okay, and extended it to get AC. Step 5 angle BAC is the required Step 5 angle BAC is a required angle, is it? Angle equal to 60 degree. That's it. Okay. So angle BAC is a required angle equal to 60 degree. Okay. Next we see the construction of angle 120 degree. The same procedure, the small change only there. Okay. You know that, is it? How to construct the 60 degree. Okay. How to construct? First draw the line AB. Okay. After take any convenient radius at center A, draw an arc. That arc intersect or cutting out ray AB at X with center X. Third step. Okay. A center X, draw the another one of the arc. Okay. That arc intersect at Y. That arc intersect at Y. Now join the line AY to get the ray A to C. Okay, we get the ray AC. This is the procedure for this 60. How to frame how to construct this 60 degree. Okay, the same procedure we have follow up to 60 degree. After we have do one more step for the 120 degree. Okay, see. That ray, the first one of the ray we have draw, is it? Take any kind, extended that because 120 degree is very larger, is it? So more than 90 degree, less than 180 degrees. Okay, so we have keep that compass, okay, at the center Y. Okay, draw another one of the arc. Okay, 60 degree means we have stop with this. Okay, so 120 degree means we have consider the same radius. So you have consider the first one of the radius. Take any convenient radius from A to A at the center A. A lende ஒரு radius வரையறோம் இல்லையா, அதே மெஷர்மெண்ட்டை வச்சு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இதில் ஒரு ஆர்க் வரைகிறீங்க. ஓகே, இது பண்ணுறீங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் அதே வச்சு இன்னொரு ஆர்க் கட் பண்ணுறீங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ கட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகுமா, 120 degree நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். ஓகேவா? So join this. Okay. So ABC we have considered D. This angle is 120 degree. Okay. The intersecting arc is denoted by XY, Z. Okay, so the angle DAB is equal to 120 degree. ஓகே, உங்களுக்கு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆகணும்னா சேம் பிக்சர் வச்சு நான் அப்படியே எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். 60 டிகிரி பண்ணி முடிச்சுட்டு அதே ரேடியஸை வச்சு என்ன செய்யுங்கம்மா, ஒயிலேருந்து இன்னொரு ஆர்க் இன்டர்செக்ட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு என்ன கிடைச்சிடும் 120 degree கிடைச்சிடும். Okay, using the protractor you check the angle. You check the angle. I think is this visible? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 60 degrees, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So 120 degree. The same steps, we have one more step in this place added. That's all. Okay. So step 3. We have changed only step 3. Okay. Taking x, taking s as a center, s as the center, and AQ. Okay, AQ as the radius draw an arc cutting the arc, the first arc, is it? What is that first arc? XP. Okay, XP at Z. Okay, the first arc is denoted by P, so XP at Z. Taking Y. Okay, the same procedure, taking Y as a center and with the same radius. Cut the arc PX at another point. Which point is it? Okay, another point is it. Finally, join step 4. Join DS. Okay, so A Z, join A Z. In this line need not to draw. Okay, for your understanding I have draw. Okay, 120 degree he didn't draw this line. Okay, right. So join A Z Join AZ and extended it to get AD. The ray AD. Step 5, angle DAB. Okay, angle DAB is the required angle equal to 120 degree. Okay, again tell you, need not to draw this. Okay, need not to join this line in angle 60. Okay, for your understanding I have draw. Okay, so what we do, how to make a 120 degree with center A, draw the arc XP. Okay, draw the arc XP with the center X, draw the, here right, draw the arc XP. Okay, right, XP, and then draw the, with center X, draw the arc of the same radius. Same radius. With center X, draw the another one of the arc. The same radius with center Y, draw another one of the arc. Okay, then join the line A to Z and extended the line to A to D ray. We get the 120 degree. Okay, so construction of 60 length I have extended to the 120 degree. Okay, I hope you are understood this. Okay, the homework exercise 15.2. First one, draw an angle of 70 degree with the protractor and bisect it by using the pair of compass. Okay, so compass வச்சு என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க, 70 degree make பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Okay, and next one, draw a line PQ and 5 cm, take a point A on it such that AB is equal to 3 cm. Taking as a center, draw an angle of 90 degree using the compass. So first for homework. Okay, first for homework. Homework exercise 15.2 1 to 4. So everyone should complete the homework. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt to me. Thank you, students.